Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the only way to change a name in Botim is to edit your device contact. Open your phone's Contacts app and search by number including the country code. Once found, check whether that entry is linked to Google, iCloud, or SIM. This matters because you'll edit the correct source. You're doing this now so Botim will later pick up the change automatically. Don't try renaming inside Botim since it won't persist or propagate. Next, tap Edit on the contact entry and update the first and last name fields to the exact display you want seen in Botim. Make sure the phone number is formatted with the correct country code and no extra symbols so the app matches it properly. Once you save, allow the contact to sync if it's tied to Google or iCloud. This ensures the change is available to all apps. You're adjusting the source record because Botim reads that, not its own local name field. Finally, open Botim and let it refresh contact data. If it doesn't update immediately, force close the app and reopen or use any in-app refresh. If the name still shows old text, clear Botim's cache Android or restart your phone. Make sure Contact Sync is enabled for the account you edited. If problems persist, check for duplicate contact entries or incorrect country code and confirm you edited the account Botim reads. This process fixes almost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.